Alright kids, you ready to have another fun camping trip weekend?
Yay! Family fun weekend! And honey, when you back into our camping spot, make sure to use your rear view mirrors. We don't want to run over a tent again.
Oh, you have to bring that up again. It was just an accident, okay? And in my defense, this RV is huge. It's really hard to drive.
Well, honey, you hit a tent. How do you miss a tent? Seriously, just don't let it happen again. Well, anyway, check out the campground. It's packed today. Look, Ariel's here, Elsa and her family, and oh no, Hans!
Oh, Hans, I do not like that guy. That guy is everywhere. I swear he's following us or something. Well, let me back up our RV. Hopefully we can just avoid Hans all weekend.
Daddy, I think we hit something again.
Oh dear, not again. I'll go check it out. I checked my mirrors and I didn't see any tents. Oh no! No, no, no! Not Sven! No! I've got you, buddy. Come on, buddy, breathe. Hey, Kristoff, why are you kissing your reindeer, huh? Hey, it's not what it looks like, man. Sure, Kristoff. You know, Kristoff, Anna doesn't deserve to be married to a guy so obsessed with his reindeer. I mean, seriously, you were kissing your reindeer, buddy. That's really just kind of gross. She really should be married to someone more like me. More prince-like. Hans, I was giving the reindeer mouth-to-mouth resuscitation, and you really need to back off of Anna. We've been married for years. Hans, I want you to stay away from my wife and leave. Oh, what a mess.
Honey, what's all the commotion back there?
Oh, it was terrible. I accidentally ran over Sven and then I had to give him mouth-to-mouth and then your awful ex-fiancé Hans came over.
Oh, that is awful!
I know, I feel terrible about Sven.
No, not Sven, Hans! Why is he even talking to us? Oh, I'm so sick of that guy. I'm talking to him. Kids, go play with Auntie Elsa and your cousins. I'll be right back. You can pet my little puppy, but don't set him on fire, okay? Oh, jeez, you set your house on fire once and the whole town knows. Hans, we need to talk. Hans, you need to leave me alone. You need to leave Kristoff alone. You need to leave my kids alone. And seriously, what are you doing in this RV? Are you like following us or something? Live in a castle like a normal prince.
Anna, you know I can't leave you alone. You're the love of my life.
Stop! Stop kissing me already! Don't you ever kiss me again! Now you hear me! Never, ever kiss me again!
Alright, Anna. I'll leave you alone. I just want to give you one small gift as a token of my love. And then I'll leave you alone. Let me grab it. It's inside my RV. Actually, can you go grab it for me?
Okay, Hans. I'll take the gift and then you leave me alone forever. Now, where is it in here? I don't see any gifts inside here, just some trash and sleeping bags. Is the present wrapped up or is it in a gift bag? I don't see anything.
And now we can start our new life together.
Hans, you get me out of here! Help!